ಅಂಬತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಬಸ್ಟಾ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂಎಸ್ಸಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ 2024 ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಂತೆ ಗೌರವ್ ಗಿಲ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಜುನ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿಜೇತ 7 ಬಾರಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಗೌರವ್ ಗಿಲ್ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರೋಬಸ್ಟಾ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗುವುದಾಗಿ ಜನ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಂತೆ ಗೌರವ್ ಗಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಚಾಲಕ ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ್ ರಂಗ್ನೇಕರ್ 5ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಪಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅರ್ಕಾ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಕರ್ಣ ಕಡೂರ್ 2ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಟಾರ್ ತೃತೀಯ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅಂಬತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಾಲಿಬೆಟ್ಟ ವಲಯದ ಟಾಟಾ ಕಾಫಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆನಂದಪುರ ಹೊಸಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಠಪರಂಬು ಮಾರ್ಗೊಲ್ಲಿ ತಣ್ಣೀರು ಹಳ್ಳ ತೋಟದ ಹಸಿರ ಪರಿಸರದ ನಡುವಿನ ದುರ್ಗಮ ಮತ್ತು ಕಠಿಣ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆದ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 61 ರ್ಯಾಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ನಾನಾ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು, ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳು ಕಾರುಗಳು ತೆರಳುವ ಮಾರ್ಗದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಜಮಾಯಿಸಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿ ಶಿಳ್ಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಸುಜಾ ಕುಶಾಲಪ್ಪ, ಟಾಟಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಕೆಜಿ, ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಅರಣ್ಯ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬಿಜಿ ಪೊಂದಪ್ಪ, ರೋಬಸ್ಟಾ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಕುಂಜಂಡ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಮಾಚಯ್ಯ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಕೊಡಗು ಚಾನಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣಿ, ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ.
All the competitors and all the spectators to join us here at the voting ceremony. Thank you. No.
வண்டி வெளில வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஏன்னா இன்னும் செக்கிங்கில் பாக்கி இருக்காங்க. அடைய
These are the winners of INRC 2.
Can you all come together?
For round 5 of the Indian Rally Championship. We came here after winning the Hyderabad Rally, and we wanted to ensure that we have the best and the top result here with our team JK Tyre car, and we've achieved that. So big thanks to our sponsor JK Tyre for developing special tyres for Cool Rally. and we had no issues at all with the tires or cars, considering the rally was so rough. For the 2 days that we drove, it was extremely rough. The conditions were very challenging. There's a lot of heat, but everything went as per plan, and we're really thankful again to everyone. And the organizers, as usual, did a great job here, and I hope to come back soon next year and try and win again.
What was the experience in Coorg?
Well, Coorg has been a great city, to host the rally, because there's so many enthusiasts here, and everyone loves to come and see the rally cars. So I'm hoping next time and for the years to come, we can come here and rally.
It was fun to drive here. This is the fifth round of Indian National Rally Championship. We had lots of issues with the car on day 1 and day 2, but we made really good time on day 1. According to our car, we performed really well. Day 2 we had some issues with the car, but we able to finish third in overall and first in our category, so I'm really happy. It's a beautiful place, beautiful stage, is very fast, very tricky and technical, and I'm just looking forward for the next one.
How was the Coorg tracks?
Coorg tracks, I see these tracks are not new for me because I belong from Himachal, and geographically it's not that same, but yes, tracks are the same, so for it was not new for me. But to be very, very honest, the rally was very, very fast, technical, and it was very narrow also, a bit scary sometimes, but yeah, we managed to finish the rally.
What's your next looking, sir?
Obviously, I'm looking for my category only because I drive INRC2 car, but definitely if it comes around, definitely I'll see for the overall championship. We are leading in our category and we are runner-up national champion right now.
We finished second overall, so we're very thrilled with the result, and we lead the championship overall by 25 points. We're very happy with that result. Keeping the bigger picture in mind, we moved to Bangalore from here, and we just need to have a good finish, so we'll work towards that. We'll correct our mistakes from here, whatever we've learned, and we're looking forward to the challenge. Any sport practice makes you perfect, and I think once we go back, we need to work on all the issues that we've had and rectify them on a technical side as well as from a driver's side. Whatever we can improve on, we'll always look at doing that and come back much stronger in Bangalore. I think the roads in Coorg is one of the most challenging terrains that we have in the country, and this is the second time that we're coming here to Coorg, and fortunately I could not win here last year, but second overall here, I'll take it. I've also been a winner at Chikmagalur 3 times in a row, so the stages over here are very similar to Chikmagalur, so I thoroughly enjoy driving on them, and they pose a different challenge altogether.